Well, here's a stock that did real well for us. We did get up about 36% in about 7 trading days. This was CSUN, and I think we're seeing a completion of the ABC pattern here. We see this big move here. We're starting to see it kind of try to recover a little bit. But what's interesting here is we had a very nice initial move. This looks like a nice 5 wave. We see the counter move. Looks like we should start to see this kind of, really come back together and try to create the 3 wave. Because if this is the 1 wave, the first initial, and this has got to be our 2, and then we should be seeing a pretty good 3 move, possibly to around 275 to maybe 3 on this. It makes sense. But what I like about it is we're really very, very close to where, kind of make or break here. We're near the 150 range, which is a 61% retracement from the main swing. We also see, based upon the C versus A, which is kind of this initial correction action, did we go to where we felt it, or where the probabilities are that it completed? And you could see that that took place also. You could see also 1 versus 2, which is, in other words, the 1 wave versus 2. Is that indicative of the normal 2 based in proportion to the 1? And you could see that this is 61% retracement at the 148 range. This is right where we're at here. We also see a 127 ratio at 147. So it seems to be a lot of areas where we're starting to see prices come into this 144, 143 level, and that was where I think we've got some significant support. I would give it probably to 145. I'm sorry, 140 and a low, and just slightly a break under that. I would stop out, but if it could start to kind of hold here and then make the rally up, this might not be a bad opportunity to try to get long on a position that seems a little bit overdone and may be overdone, but we could be really getting at a good pullback point on this. So again, this is something that I think has got some potential. Hold on, I'm going to give you a time frame also. Here, based upon the Fibonacci ratio on a 1 to 2, in other words, the 1 wave, what should the 2 wave be in time? We're coming very close to the 38% retracement for tomorrow. So I do think that we may be seeing this come around. I think we're going to see a lot of things possibly come around tomorrow. So this may not be a bad entry to go long here, and we'll have a very close stop based upon that. But watch to see if any violation of the 140. I think that'd be a problem here, showing it to go a lot lower, probably at least to 135, maybe to 125. But those are the other potential low targets that this could move to. So just keep that in mind. But I do think it's getting overextended and could be ready for a bounce.